What is up everyone, this is Ken here. Welcome back to Tech Current YouTube channel. So if you are using Redmi Note 9s, Redmi Note 9 Pro, Redmi Note 9 Pro Max or Poco M2 Pro and looking to install Android 11 based Pixel Experience based custom ROM, then this might not be a bad choice for you. Based on Android version 11, it comes with the July security patch. I'm using the Pixel Experience Plus edition, which comes with some bit of extra features. And as I previously mentioned, if you're looking to install Pixel Experience, then this might be a very good choice for you. By default, what I saw here, the UI was quite smooth here, no lags, nothing at all. As you can see, smoothness is good. App opening, app closing, all these animations were working perfectly fine. It didn't got any kind of major lag till now. I'm using from some time, no lags and no frame drops, etc. Things are working quite good here. Of course, I'm using navigation bar keys here, and that feels some difference if you compare it with the gesture navigation, but still it's quite good and satisfactory. First of all, we're going to mainly talk about the safeness status, as most of the users always use banking apps on their devices, and as always, as expected, the safeness status should pass in this custom ROM also. And as always, of course, if you use Magisk on your device, you need to hide that in settings because that is necessary. And as you can see, safeness status is passing. And why it is passing? Because I have enabled the hide Magisk option in settings. If you don't use Magisk on your device, you don't need that. But yes, if you use, you need to enable this Magisk hide option from settings. If you don't use Magisk, then nothing to worry about, because Magisk is not necessary for everyone. By default, all these things and these modules which I am using right now, MIUI Gallery, I have installed and working perfectly fine, including that Google Sans Media, which is one of my favorite fonts. Now talking about the DRM, which is L1 is available or not, L1 is there. If you are seeing L3 and if you're not seeing L1, I have a fix for that. You can simply try out flashing firmware first and then try out that. Maybe you get the L1, but I'm not sure. I haven't tried that. I am already getting L1, so no issues for me. But yes, if you want, if you're getting L3, you can give it a try by installing firmware first, the latest firmware of your device, then install this custom ROM on your device. And of course, this is Pixel Experience, so you don't need to worry about the Google apps, as it is already included. It also includes the Xiaomi parts, which is a very helpful and useful feature for most of the devices. Xiaomi parts includes this Mi Sound Enhancer, and if you're a music lover and always listen music with the help of headphones and these Bluetooth etc., then this is a very good choice for you. You have the option to customize these to the headphone type and etc. If you're a Xiaomi user, you already know that you get the Mi Sound Enhancer by default in your device, and yes, of course, it's also included here, which is very good thing. It has two builds available, by the way. One is this one, which includes the Google Camera Go edition, and another one is edition which also comes the ANX camera. Both of the editions link is in the description, so you don't need to worry about anything. These are things you get here, like display color calibration, which works great. You can also customize these things. You can customize the colors of your display. If you don't like them, you can customize these red, green, blue, RGB variant. All these things you can customize. A lot of things are there which you can customize. Looks quite good. Xiaomi DOS is also present there, ambient display is also present. There are many interesting features you get in this Xiaomi parts, and so it's good. But unfortunately, what I saw is that a USB fast charge option is not present. Maybe they've already implemented there. I haven't tried it, by the way, but yes, it should be included. If you have that, that would be a very good feature. But unfortunately, we don't have that feature. So yes, no worry about that. Let's just talk about some other things. For example, clear speaker is also something really interesting feature for you. Now if you get about some customizations etc., as it is a Pixel Experience Plus edition, it's a normal Pixel Experience Plus edition. Customizations are nothing. In the terms of battery section, I saw battery backup was quite good. Overnight it just drained approximately 1% with approximately 8 hours of screen off, which is not bad. So 8 hours idle drain is only 1% whole night, is actually very impressive. In the terms of other options, of course, you can customize these themes here, and the themes are available for you. If you go and create your own style, it comes with some extra font options for you, but of course I have applied the default fonts. I've already applied the default fonts as a Magisk module like Google Sans Media, which is one of my favorite one, so I don't need that. It's a very interesting thing. Now let's just talk about some other things here, like live wallpapers. Of course, live wallpapers are quite good enough. These are interesting one. I haven't applied that, and of course live wallpapers might give your device some lags, I'm not sure, but yes, if you still want to give it a try, you can. In the terms of security section, screen lock, fingerprint, face lock etc., everything is present, but unfortunately there is no app lock. This is Pixel Experience, So you need to compromise with the app lock. You can give it a try by installing an alternate launcher pixelated, but I'm not sure if it will work or not. Gestures are also present. You can customize some buttons, related customizations for you, system navigation, invert layout, power menu, etc. And like that, we also have some extra things, for example like status bar customizations. Some bit of customizations are present but nothing else. The link is in the description. Very easy to install like other custom ROMs. This was all from today's video. I hope you like this. If you like this, don't forget to like and share this video. Goodbye, have a nice day.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through